Oh, another case. A no-name collector case. Collector's car case. Pretty generic. Tara Toy Company. Holds 24 cars. No date, including Matchbox, Hot Wheels, Corgi, and other miniatures. Those were the top 3. Ah, this one was buried deep. I wonder what's in this one. Oh, let's check her out. There it is. It's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. Special edition. Come with me. Spring has sprung and we are heading out to the garage sales, flea markets, and toy shows. Those are where the greatest treasures are found. You never know what you're gonna find. Somebody stop me. Oh, let's see what happens here. Little slow, guys, little slow. Oh, I know you two are all show and no go. Oh, I had to put them all back in, but let me tell you, did you see some cool cars? Let's get in this thing. Look at this. Oh man, what is this one? We got the gold one. This is all chromed out stuff. So cool. Let's get in this baby. See what this baby opens and has for us. Oh, I gotta get close up on this. Look at this. The Hemi Hauler. Oh, this one's in pretty good condition. Gold flake. Rail dragster opens up beautifully. Oh, that one opens almost in half. Now, I don't remember if this actually came with a little piece that hooked into place there. Or is that, yeah, that hot hits up on the chassis. Patent pending, 1969. Oh, look at those wheels and tires on there. That is nice. Oh, Corgi in the house. Look at that, with a mini Batmobile, Batman in there, Robin's laying an egg somewhere. Oh, but this one did not lose a wheel, let me tell you. Got a hook for the Batboat trailer. That is nice. Corgi Junior's 1976 DC Comics Batmobile. Made in Great Britain. Oh, look at that. It's that simple axle series that they were doing on some of those no-name cars. This one's got the Chip It Dippy. Missing the light on top, or is that supposed to be the light? Gotta paint that red. Oh, do you paint your vintage cars? Customize them or not? I guess if you got doubles and triples you could. Oh, look at this. The gold one. That is nice. Another vintage one. Hot Wheels just spelled off. This is the Buzz Off. 1969. Hong Kong. U.S. patented. Foreign patents pending. Look at this thing. Does anything open on that? Yeah, that back end opens. I thought so. Look at this. Man, if this was real gold, I'd be down in Havana or something. Who knows where I'd be? Down in Florida? Down in North Carolina? Out in Arizona? Oh, that thing is beautiful. Look at this one. These things are mint. I totally forgot I had these. It is like a treasure hunt. The spoiler sport. Every time you open up a case that you haven't opened for years, you never know what you're gonna find. Look at this one. This one is. Now, this metal flake stuff gets a little orange peeled, but that's okay. Hot Wheels Spoil Sport 1978. Oh, some of those are a lot earlier than this. Or is it just the mold? Repop. Some of you guys know. Look at this Corvette. Same thing. Gold metal flake. Little red tampo on there. Black. These are sweet cars. Oh, nice Hot Wheels just spelled out. Corvette Stingray, made in the U.S., 1975. Oh, look at that. Or is it? Yeah, it's 75. Kids, learn your numbers early. Yeah, so you can distinguish. Oh, look at this Datsun, nice in gold chrome. Oh boy, louvered windows on the back. Look at those big black fatties on there. I love them. It is the Z-Whiz from 1976. Hot Wheels, Hong Kong. Oh, look at that. That is just one nice car. Look at all the gold in here. Here's Smokey and the Bandit and his Firebird. Oh, in gold. These are in great condition. Hot Wheels, Hot Bird, 1977. Oh, look at that. This baby, this is a case. And in a no-name case. Oh, race bait 308. Little man, look at this. Look at this. Oh. If you haven't checked out his channel, go check him out. He's got a collection that is killer cool. Oh, and he is full of energy. Race Bait 308, 1977 Hot Wheels. I'm sure he's got this one 10 times over, right, little man? His handle is HWBW 1977. Go check him out. Little man's got a collection that you would be very happy to have in your little grubby mitts. He's got stuff from Grandpa and Dad and Mom and everyone. Oh, and he even has dogs. Look at this, a Redline. Oh, high voltage, 200 miles an hour in chrome. Look at that Redline, sweet as can be. Hot Wheels just spelled out. Large charge. Oh, come on. Did it give me a date? Copyright 1974. Oh, look at that. That is nice. And look, we got another one just like it. Oh, Fat Finger Freddy can't get it out of the case. Oh, there it is. Oh, but this is a black wall version. And this is not as shiny. So one is like chromed out and one is bare metal. Nice black walls on there. Oh, supercharged. Oh, it's got dust and pollen. Large charge, 1974, but no red lines. Oh, they must have just had a couple spare ones sitting around. Oh, this one, the tempo was scraped off the back. Oh, that red line's in good condition. What else do we got in here? Fat Finger Freddy can pull out another black wall. 76 Racer, Goodyear, Bell. Hot Wheels, Formula 5000, 1975. Look at that thing. All chromed out, super shiny. Oh. So I must have been putting chrome ones in this no-name case. Oh, look at this Mustang. Nice. Patriotic theme going on. Louvered windows, which I always love. Left-hand drive. Man. This one is chromed out 2 Mustang Stocker, 1974. Hong Kong patent pending. Oh, look at that. These are nice. That is, look, for the first layer of a no-name case. Oh, that is nice. Now I don't see anything in here. Oh, the other side, there's all sorts of fun ones in there. I'll be right back. Let me rearrange these cars so we can get the other ones out. Oh, that gives us a little room. Oh, one of my favorites is Little Vicky. Redline. Now you can tell the difference. This is a new Redline. It's probably a 25th anniversary car. Redlines. Hot Wheels. But this body style was always one of my favorite. Had a beautiful rake on it. 1968. On the bottom, 32 Ford Vicky. Oh, and it's raked just the perfect amount. Purple, always love purple. Oh, so much fun. Oh, look at this. Matchbox, I'm guessing number 3 on the side, but look at this cockpit, opens up. I know it does, I know it does. Look at that. Oh, come on, Fat Finger Freddy. Look at that. So cool. Single seat right in the middle. That was one of Soda Pop's favorite cars when he was a kid. Oh, I'm wrong. It is a Hot Wheel. What am I, goofy goober? 1980. Oh, a little DNA dust on there. That'll, ooh, it's sticky. Yeah. Kids, wash your cars. Take care. Oh, whack-a-jack-a-lack-attack on that back tire. Oh, probably because all the goo and sticky stuff in there. What else do we got in here? Oh, look at this. Trans Am. Oh, that is nice. Got some dust on it, but look at those intakes coming out of the hood. Matchbox, super fast. 1975, a Pontiac Firebird. Oh, that is nice. Look at that. That is good all around. Little wear and tear on it, but not too bad. I ain't kicking that one out of my case. Oh, what are you, crazy? Oh, little Mini Cooper. So much fun. The Italian Job movie is very cool, made them very popular. Hot Wheels. 2011? Mini Cooper 2001 Malaysia. Oh, that one is in nice condition. I bet you that one races good on the track. We're all over from 2000 to the 60s. Oh, look at this. Ultra hot. Just like our other one. That's a large charge. Look at those wheels in there. Oh, Silver Bullet. They renamed it Hot Wheels 1974. Okay, tell me it isn't this car exactly. Come on. They took out this back panel and just painted it silver. Is it the same? So you've got this one with those wheels, and you got blackies in the middle. Oh, look at that. All 3 kind of cool. Oh, kind of wild. When you get all sorts of different ones, let's rearrange these and put these guys in front. Oh, get that Cooper in the back. Sorry, Redline's always tastes top shelf, right? Oh, look at this Hot Wheels, a 442. This is pretty sweet. Oh, bell on the side, GT, Goodyear. STP, nice to get STP on there. Man, we had those stickers everywhere when we were kids. Look at those side pipes on there. Oh, Western. Hot Wheels, just spelled out. Mattel, 1978. Flat out, 442. Oh, you guys knew that. Totally cool, totally cool. What do we got here? Oh, Studs Bearcat. Hot Wheels. Look at this paint job, pinstriping on there. Gary Seeds could do better than that. I need to send it down to him and have him tidy this baby up. He does great work. 1979 Hot Wheels. Look at that. This one is cool. I love those big grills of the 70s. So much fun. Oh, Corgi Junior in the house. James Bond. Aston Martin. Little tape on that hood there. Here's your little release lever to shoot your guy out. Missing the guy, missing the roof. Oh, Corgi Junior just on a sticker on the bottom of this. James Bond, Aston Martin. No date. Just like most model guys and car guys, after, 16, no date. Because we're playing with cars too much. Cracking the windshield, that's too bad. This one is sweet. I like that. What do we got here? Oh, what is this? Firestone. Number 27, you got Champion and Pennzoil on there. Look at those wheels, gold. Big black tires. Super Stocker. Oh, front running. Fairmont. 1981. Front running Fairmont. Have you seen this one before? I don't know if I have, and if I had, I never noticed it. This one is pretty cool. Late 70s car. Oh, now we get into the fun ones. Look at this. Oh, Racer X by Johnny Lightning. This one is one sweet ride. This one is a a plain Mantis re-release. 1997. GRX-Fastest Car. Oh, look at that. This one came out of the package straight into this case, I'm telling you, because I bought it. Oh, did I buy it when I started buying all these cars. Look at this. The little minion race car that would just destroy everything. Johnny Lightning on the bottom there. Assassin. Plain Mantis. Oh, that is a cool little car. Remember when these came out? Oh, they're out there still. You gotta find them. And here it is, the star of the show, the Mach 5. Johnny Lightning. Remember that car carrier? Speed racer on those tires? Look at that. That is pretty nice. Like I said, this one literally came out of the package and into this case. Johnny Lightning upside down. Speed Racer Mach 5, 1997, made in China. These wheels are thin, but very nicely detailed. Now, each one of these Speed Racer cars came with a cartoon cell little like tab. It's like a pod thing. This is number 29 and 37. Original film strip cell art. There it is. Oh, this is where anime started, you all animators. Oh, now, here we go. Look in the bottom of the case and look what I found. Oh, look at this. This one, if I remember in this series, look at those buzzsaws. In this series, there were 3 Mach 5s, and you could get different accessories for the front. Like this one has those power cutters. Oh, that is the end of this case. Look at that, empty. And this one's empty, and here's all our cars. What do you say? Let's put them on the track. I'll be right back. Oh, guys, don't judge a book by its cover. This case had killer cool cars in it. Look at all these things. Such a wide variety. Oh, Corgi Junior, Johnny Lightning, Hot Wheels, Vintage, Redlines, 80s, 90s, 70s, Matchbox. Oh, this had it all. And what I say is let's go racing. Oh, let's race some of these vintage old things. See how they do. Oh, pretty slow. They're going, come on, man. I just got out of the case. I've been in that case for at least 10, 15 years. Oh, let's see what we got going here. Ready? Go. Oh, super duper slow. Oh, let's see what else. Let's try this one. Vicky. Against this one. Yeah, that should be a good race. Nice. They are just coming in hard and strong. Pedal to the metal. Nice. Here we go. Let's see if we get a different shot on that. Nice. This one is good. Oh, we're gonna have to try and race all these guys. I jump around and sometimes I miss some. Oh, those were fast. I'm digging the Mini Cooper. Look at this. These are vintage. Oh, Koopa Doopa. He's super duper. Oh, should we race Corgi Junior, James Bond against Batman? Oh, let's see what happens here. Little slow, guys, little slow. Oh, I know you two are all show and no go. Oh, you guys have earned your place in car history, so you don't have to race anymore. You just gotta sit there and look pretty. Woo! Nice, Batman wins. Oh. Look at this Datsun. Man, oh man. This is gonna be good. That's a heavy duty. Oh, they jam up and crash up in the, where they come into one, 2 into 1. Oh, nice. Little twinkly dinky at the end there. Oh, look at this. Against Raised Bait 308. Here we go. Oh, that was almost a dead heat. Let's try it again. Oh, these things are amazing. Oh, the gold one blew a gasket and Raised Bait 308. Little man. Oh, nice. That Raised Bait is just chomping at the course here. Let's put these guys back and hit this Corvette. Oh, Stingray, nice. Against this super spoiler. Nice. This guy's top heavy, but I love that retro look on him. All fumbling fingers. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Oh, that one was pretty slow. Not like the first one. I don't know what it was. They turned the gas on and off they went. Oh, crash up into the hot bird. Oh, let's try one more. Just beauty. I'm so excited. They're getting caught up on that starting peg. Oh, let's do this. This one. Oh, yeah. Chrome against silver. Gold against silver. Oh, look at that. Nice. Oh, pretty simple, pretty clean. Oh, let's do this. 442 against the studs. Oh, the 442 just blows it out of the water. Let's see what we got going here. Oh, sweet, sweet, sweet. Now we race these guys, that, this, that. Let's race this one again. I like that one. Let's go do that against the 442. Oh, spun off a little bit. That's okay. We get this Thunderbird against this guy. Oh no, we did that guy already. They were kind of asleep. We'll do with this Redline. Look at that Redline take off. I think we need to do original Redline with 25th anniversary Redline. What do you think? The original always wins. Sweet. Oh, let's do this one against this one. Ultra hot, it says. Is it? Oh, it is. Oh, let's do this again. That's kind of nice. Same body style, different names, different feel. Oh, he jacked that super spoiler like no tomorrow. Let's straighten these guys out again. Woo! Got it, got it. Yep, got it. Okay. Whew, sassy. He just went crazy. This guy, he's stuck up on the rail here. Let's straighten these guys out. Because we're at a car show, man. Trixie would be lining up all these things like no tomorrow. Oh. Ready? They got a little crack and lack of whack-a-jack in this track because they've been hitting something. Just pushing it together a little bit. So now we got a clean track all the way down. Oh, ready? I'm gonna do it from right here and see what happens. Oh, it works perfectly. The last two races, they're spilling all over the track and crashing into everything, and now it works perfect. Oh, maybe it was just fixing the track a little bit. Someone told me Arizona has no cracks in the road, where here in Illinois, it is all cracks. You lose a car in it, they're so deep at times. Oh, but who knows? Not my job. We race these. Oh, let's do this. Look at that. Got to line up that point just perfect against the Assassin. Oh, the Assassin's almost too wide. Let's see what happens. Yep, too wide. And this guy's coming off the track. He's heavy. He's like a bullet. He's so heavy. Now, I'm going to drop these these pegs off. Just take those off carefully, because they're just gonna get caught up. I don't want a chance breaking them. Oh, nice. Different sound, totally. These are real rider tires on this thing. So you gotta, it's not the hard plastic on hard plastic. Ready, set, go. Oh, nice. That is pretty sweet. Look at all these cars. Whoops. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Speed Racer. Man, which is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and you will not miss out. Oh, so cool. So many different cars, vintage ones, and this one, new and old. All hidden in a no-name case. This is Johnny Roman signing off. Oh, I'm in your face. I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on old Johnny Clark. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be.